In this demonstration, we're going to talk about magnetic reversals. And this starts off with iron-rich magma coming from the mantle to the crust. And these iron-rich magmas will contain magnetic crystals, which will orient toward the north magnetic pole. We've got this fresh magnetic crystal batch, which is still molten and is free to orient toward the North Pole. So it will orient toward the North Pole, as I said, and over time it will cool. And when it cools, it is no longer free to change direction, like to reorient toward the North Magnetic Pole. And after a very long period of time, say 42,000 years is the last time magnetic reversal occurred, the poles will reverse. And so then let's say we have a fresh batch of iron-rich lava from the mantle. This time it will orient toward the secondary north magnetic pole. And the way these two batches of magnetic crystals orient shows that over time the magnetic poles have reversed.
So, with this demonstration, we're going to be showing the concept of polar wander and the and some evidence for tectonic plate movement. So, we have a spot on this continent that is spewing magma, and at a point in time, some of that magma or lava will cool and crystallize, forming or crystallize in the direction of the magnetic north. Over time, though, this continent or tectonic plate will shift in direction, and new magma will cool still in the direction of the magnetic north, but instead it will look like it's formed at a different angle from the other magma or the cooled crystals, and so on and so on. And this continues over time as it shifts, as this tectonic plate shifts. What this once was thought to be was actually, before we knew that plate tectonics was a thing, we believed that the magnetic pull, this is the concept of polar wander, the magnetic pull would shift, and that's why the magnetic crystals would cool in different locations. What we know now, though, is that this is just evidence of this tectonic plate shifting in position. So all of the crystals still are all of the crystals are still forming in the direction of that magnetic north, but this is happening at the same time that the continent or the tectonic plate is moving.